Welcome to our channel. Wavlink Wi-Fi Extender setup for beginners. No tech skills needed. Pick the spot. Don't just slap it anywhere. Find a spot about halfway between your router and the dead zone. You want it close enough to the router to get a strong signal, but far enough to actually extend coverage. Plug it in. Simple. Wall outlet. Make sure the LED lights come on. If it's blinking weird, move it around a bit. Sometimes outlets can be finicky. Connect to the extender. Open Wi-Fi on your phone or laptop. Look for a network called something like Wavlink_Ext. The default name is usually on a sticker on the device. Connect to it. No password yet unless it's listed on the sticker. Access the setup page. Open a browser. Type 192.168.10.1 in the address bar. Sometimes it's tp-linkx.net for older Wavlink models. Hit enter. If it doesn't load, try a different browser or clear your cache. Yeah, basic stuff. But it can kill you if you skip it. Log in. Default username, password is usually admin. Super generic, so change it later. Click Login. Connect to your main Wi-Fi. It'll scan for networks. Pick your home Wi-Fi. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Hit connect. The extender will try to latch on. Wait a minute. The lights should stabilize, usually green or blue. That means it's working. Test it and relocate if needed. Grab your phone, move to the dead zone, and check speeds. If it's still slow, move the extender a little closer to your router or try a different outlet. Thank you for watching.